All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm proud to introduce you guys a pretty sweet car on the channel now for the first time. This is a 2020 Audi RS3, and this is a tastefully modded one. It's fully built with an IROZ IMS850S turbo kit, the same one as the red TTRS on the channel. With full supporting mods, upgraded clutch pack, full turbo back exhaust, intercooler, and running on E85. Now this is a full weight car. These cars are all-wheel drive, and just letting you know, he's running on some Nitto NT05 tires. These are not the radials. Good thing these are all-wheel drive. Now, he's definitely making over 800 wheel. I didn't get the numbers exactly, but it's definitely over 800 horsepower. And he's going to be running up against a 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo. Now, the last time you guys saw this car on the channel, he was full bolt-ons 93 and Meth. Now he's on big frame turbos, which are from ByDesign. It's his XR kit, which used 6164 turbos. This is a full weight car, and he's making over 800 wheel horsepower, still running on 93 and Meth. Now these things weigh a little over 3,500 pounds, so they're very similar in weight to the RS3. So it should be a very exciting race. So both cars are taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the 911 Turbo. I'm excited for this one. And the first race we're gonna do is from 40 miles an hour. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Are you ready? Wait, hold on. You ready? 1, 2, 3! Guys, on to round 2. We are going to do a 60 roll. We're going to be pretty low on the RPMs here, though. 60. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Before I let off and shift out the downshift. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, on to the final round. 50 roll. Ready? Are you ready? Hold on. Just getting the anti-lag ready. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You got him. All right, guys, so we're finished up here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.